Most people believe financial freedom requires a huge amount of money, a perfect business idea, or extraordinary luck. But when you study some of the world's most successful entrepreneurs and investors, you discover something interesting. Many of them followed a completely different path. They didn't take massive risks. They didn't wait for the perfect idea. And they didn't start with millions of dollars. Instead, they followed a set of simple mental models that helped them grow wealth while keeping risk surprisingly low. Today, we're going to explore these powerful ideas and reveal the $100 investment hack that could put you on the fastest path toward financial freedom. Let's begin. Mental Model 1. Cloning. One of the biggest myths in business is that you must invent something completely new. Most people spend years trying to create the next revolutionary idea. Meanwhile, successful entrepreneurs often do something much simpler. They look at what is already working and improve it. This is called cloning. Many people think cloning lacks creativity. But history tells a different story. Bill Gates is often remembered as a great innovator. Yet many of Microsoft's biggest products were inspired by existing products already succeeding in the market. The same was true for Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart. He openly admitted that he borrowed ideas from other retailers. He constantly visited stores, studied their strengths, and brought the best ideas back to his own business. Over time, those small improvements helped Walmart become one of the largest companies in the world. The lesson is simple. Don't ask, what has never been done before? Ask, what is already working, and how can I make it better? That question alone can put you years ahead of most people. Mental Model 2. Smart entrepreneurs minimize risk. People often say entrepreneurs are risk takers. In reality, successful entrepreneurs spend most of their time reducing risk. They don't jump off cliffs and hope for the best. They build safety nets. One of the smartest strategies is keeping your income while testing new opportunities. Think about it. There are 168 hours in every week. Even if you work a full-time job, there are still many hours available outside of work. Instead of spending all those hours scrolling social media or watching endless entertainment, some people use a portion of that time to build skills, start side projects, or test business ideas. This approach allows you to experiment without risking your financial stability. You keep earning money while learning what works. That's not reckless. That's smart. The goal isn't to take huge risks. The goal is to create situations where the potential upside is large and the downside is small. Mental Model 3. Let customers shape the business. One of the fastest ways to fail is assuming you already know what people want. Many entrepreneurs fall in love with their own ideas. The problem is that customers don't always share that excitement. The smartest business builders listen more than they talk. Instead of guessing, they test. They launch simple versions of products. They gather feedback. They make improvements. Then they repeat the process. Over time, customers help shape the final product. Think of it like sculpting clay. You don't create the perfect shape immediately. You keep adjusting until it becomes something people truly value. The market gives constant feedback. If you learn to listen carefully, your customers will often tell you exactly what they need. And those needs can become your greatest opportunities. Mental Model 4. Your free time is your hidden asset. Most people think money is their most valuable resource. But in the beginning, time is often far more important. Every week contains hours that disappear into activities we barely remember. A few videos here, a few hours of scrolling there, a little more entertainment before bed. Individually, these moments seem harmless, but together they add up. Imagine redirecting even 10 or 15 hours per week toward learning investing, building a side business, developing a skill, or creating content. Those hours can completely change your future. The truth is that financial freedom often starts long before money enters the picture. It starts with how you use your time. People who understand this gain an enormous advantage because they begin investing in themselves before they ever invest in the stock market. Mental Model 5. The power of being a giver. Many people think success comes from taking as much as possible. But some of the most successful individuals follow a different philosophy. They focus on giving. They help others. They share knowledge. They solve problems. They make introductions. They create value before expecting anything in return. Over time, something remarkable happens. People remember them. Opportunities begin appearing. Relationships grow stronger. Trust develops. And trust is one of the most valuable assets in business and investing. Being a giver doesn't mean allowing people to take advantage of you. It means approaching life with a mindset of contribution. The more value you create for others, the more valuable you become. And that value often returns in ways you never expected. Mental Model 6. Find offering gaps. Some of the best opportunities are hiding in plain sight. They exist wherever people have a problem that nobody is solving properly. These are called offering gaps. Imagine a growing neighborhood with no nearby barber, restaurant, or service provider. The first person to recognize that gap often gains a major advantage. The same principle applies online. Maybe people need a simpler service. Maybe a product is too expensive. Maybe customer support is terrible. Wherever there is frustration, there is opportunity. Instead of searching for revolutionary ideas, start looking for missing solutions. Often, the biggest opportunities are surprisingly simple. The $100 investment hack. Now let's talk about the investment hack that many people completely overlook. Most beginners become obsessed with finding the highest return. They spend countless hours searching for the perfect stock. But the real secret is much simpler. 3 things matter more than almost anything else. First, how much money you start with. Second, how long you leave the money invested. Third, the rate at which it grows. Most people focus only on the third factor. The wealthy focus heavily on the second. Time is where the magic happens. This is where the Rule of 72 becomes incredibly useful. The Rule of 72 helps estimate how long it takes money to double. Simply divide 72 by your annual return. At 10% growth, money roughly doubles every 7 years. That means $100 can become $200, then $400, then $800, then $1,600, and the process keeps repeating. The incredible part isn't the first doubling, it's the later doublings. That's when compound growth starts working like a snowball rolling downhill. Many people delay investing because they think $100 isn't enough. But the amount matters less than getting started. The earlier you begin, the longer your money has to compound. And compounding rewards time more than almost anything else. That is why this opportunity seems to disappear so quickly. Every year you wait is one less year of compounding. And unlike money, time cannot be replaced. How to start investing practically. So how can someone actually begin? Step 1. Spending less than you earn. This sounds simple, but it is the foundation of every successful financial plan. Instead of saving whatever is left at the end of the month, save first. Treat investing like a bill that must be paid. Step 2. Opening a brokerage account. Once the account is ready, start contributing regularly. Consistency matters far more than perfection. Step 3. Investing in broad market index fund. This allows you to own small pieces of hundreds of major companies at once. Instead of betting on one company, you benefit from the growth of the overall market. The goal isn't getting rich overnight. The goal is steadily building wealth year after year. Small amounts invested consistently can produce surprisingly large results over time. Financial freedom is not reserved for the lucky few. It is often built through simple decisions repeated over many years. Learn from successful people. Clone what works. Reduce risk. Listen to customers. Use your free time wisely. Create value for others. Look for opportunity gaps, and most importantly, start investing as early as possible. The $100 investment hack isn't really about the money. It's about starting before time slips away. Because the greatest asset you have is not cash, talent, or even opportunity. It's time, and every day you wait, that asset becomes a little smaller. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another video on building wealth, financial freedom, and smarter investing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.